Hi friends, in this problem we are given x plus 2 is a factor of x plus 1 whole power 7 plus 2x plus k whole cube. Then what is x? Here the important thing is this is a factor of this expression. Right? What is a factor? Let's say if I say 7 is a factor of 35. That means what? 7 into something is actually equal to 35. Right? If I say 7 is a factor of 35. 35 and 7. Or we can say 4 is a factor of 12. What does that mean? 4 into something. That is 3. 4 into 3 is equal to 12. 7 into something. 7 into something. Or 7 into 5 equals 35. So when you say something is a factor of something, that means this one into whatever into something else is actually equal to the this number. Right. Now, x plus 2 is a factor of this one. What does that mean if we call this as f of x? Then f of x is equal to x plus 2 times some polynomial. Let's say that is the polynomial, let's call it as q of x. Okay, because this is a x plus 2 is a factor of this polynomial f of x. That means x plus 2 into some other polynomial is actually equal to f of x. Right. This polynomial could be something that is irrelevant now. That is immaterial. Right. Now, f of x, we can write it as, basically this expression, we can write it as x plus 2 into something. Right. Now, if you see left hand side and right hand side. Right hand side, if we take x equals minus 2 is actually equal to 0. Right. Because this one will become 0 and 0 into this thing will anyway be 0. What does that mean? That means f of minus 2 is actually equal to 0. If you put minus 2 here, minus 2 plus 1 whole power 7, 2 into minus 2 plus k whole power 3 is actually equal to 0. Because x plus 2 is a factor, right? So that's what we have done. F of minus 2 should actually be equal to 0 because f of x, we can write it as x plus 2 into something. Right, x plus 2 is 0 when x equals minus 2. So this function is actually equal to 0 when x equals minus 2. So f of minus 2 is minus 2 plus 1 whole power 7 plus minus 4, that is 2 into minus 2, minus 4 plus k whole cube. Right, this becomes minus 1 whole power 7, which is again minus 7. So k minus 4 whole cube minus 1, this is minus 1, right, equals 0. That means k minus 4 whole cube is equal to 1. That means cube root of 1, which is again 1, k minus 4. K minus 4 is actually equal to 1. That means k equals 5. It's a very, very simple problem, very basic problem. Only thing that we need to understand is the definition of what is a factor. Normal numbers definition of factor is very clear, but in terms of polynomials also, we can use the same definition. A polynomial, if this polynomial for this polynomial, this is factor. That means there is some coefficient. So basically what is factor? F of x, if you divide by x plus 2, you will get a coefficient for polynomial plus a remainder. Right? Because it is a factor, you will get remainder will become 0. Otherwise also, if a polynomial is divided by another polynomial, you will get one coefficient polynomial and another remainder. Right, guys? Hope you guys like this very simple problem. Thank you.